Looks like I've got a leaky gutter. Let's take a look. You can see I've got water that sits in this section of gutter. It's lower than the rest. When they built the house, it's just too low. Really, to fix it, you'd have to put an extra downpipe in here. But this is all rusted. It's got little pinholes in it. I fixed a bit along here. Now I just need to do the rest of the section. First, we need to get that water out. Now the rust. Bit of elbow grease, got most of that rust out, ready to coat with rust primer. You can see here the rust holes, pinholes in here, which make it leak, and even further up we're starting to erode into the back of the, higher up in the gutter. As hard as you might try, you won't be able to get to that rust between the bottom of the gutter and the top of the fascia, which you know is there because of the holes. A generous splash of rust converter or sealer should seep into those gaps and minimise further corrosion. And we're going to seal it up with this just to slow down the rusting process. Another product you can try is this rust converter. It's similar stuff. This goes a long way, but give it a generous coat. One coat should be fine. To ensure it's completely dry, you may want to come back the following day. Beautiful. Next, we're going to slap this stuff on. It's a bitumen rubber compound. It's water-based and it's not expensive. As we have some holes, I've formed up the bottom of the gutter with masking tape so it doesn't ooze out. Put it on nice and thick. Creates basically a rubber lining and creates a seal. Let it dry thoroughly. The back of the tub suggests a second coat after 2 to 4 hours and fully dry in a couple of days. Time to water test it. If you find a leak, dry it out and slap on some more rubber compound. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful and stopped some leaks. Catch you next time.